Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Gary, and for today's video I wanted to do a little hair tutorial for you. I finally learned and mastered a technique to curl my hair with a straightener, and let me tell you, this has been a game changer for me. I love the result, and for me this is just the easiest and quickest way to curl my hair. It's very simple, super easy to do, doesn't take a long time at all. It also is more on the casual side, and for me this gives you a very natural kind of wave that's very wearable for everyday look, for everyday hairstyles. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So I've said it before, but I just don't like spending a lot of time doing my hair. As you probably can see, this is my natural hair, this is all my hair, and I have very thick hair, so it's a bit hard to manage, and especially to do hairstyles. But it's pretty straight, which is quite convenient, but I'm really not great at curling it. It takes so much time usually, but I finally learned how to properly do waves, and I only use my straightener. This is a very old one from Remington. Any straightener that has this oval shape on the sides will do, because you will be able to do the nice waves. So I turned this on, and as I told you, my hair is naturally very straight. It's thick, and I just washed it last night. So I do this hairstyle on freshly washed hair. Very importantly, I use my favorite hair oil. At the moment, this is the Alpha Par of Milan. It's great. It makes your hair super soft. You need a hairbrush, a hair clip, and hair protectant. This is the absolute must-have. And this is the Tresemme that protects your hair up to 230 degrees Celsius. Don't use heat on your hair unless you have something to protect it. And I already brushed my hair, but just a quick little brush before getting into it. And I'm sorry, but I don't have a mirror in front of me, and I have to use the viewfinder as a mirror, but that's how easy this hairstyle is. So I will just part my hair into two, clip it on the top of my hair to get it out of my way. And here we have the bottom part of my hair, and first I will spray it with the heat protectant. And I start from the behind because I think it's just easier for me. I grab a small to medium piece of hair. The smaller the curlier, but I would say that a medium piece of hair will look the best, at least for me. I run the straightener through my hair to make it sleek, and that's why I think it looks better with a straightener, because it just slicks your hair and then curls it, and I think this looks a lot more smoother. My hair is naturally very frizzy, so for me this is a better look. Then I just go and wrap it around the straightener, and then put the hair in front of it, and then wrap it around the bottom plate and squeeze it. I also don't put the straightener, and I don't start from the root. I put it like in the middle of the hair, and then just lightly glide it in, and then squeeze, and you get a little nice wave like this. You just need a little bit of practice and you will get the hang of it. The only thing is that you just shouldn't squeeze the straightener too hard, because it will be hard to glide it, but everything else is pretty self-explanatory. So I wrap it, then around the bottom plate, and just glide it through my hair, and you get this little wave. You twist it like this and put it in the back, so you get these little fun waves. And here we have the first part waved. Now on to this side, and I think here you'll be able to see it easier. Start from the back with a little piece of hair, wrap it in front of the straightener. So this is the bottom part. I love how it looks. It's wavy mainly at the end, and this really suits my hair. I love this look and I think it's really beautiful. Then I clip it in the back to get it out of my way and proceed with the top part of my hair. And this is the top part done as well. I just straightened my bangs away from my face, just like something like this, and voila. This is it, this is the result. I love it. It's such a beautiful, easy, effortless hairstyle. I love the look. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's easy for me to achieve it every time, and I just think it's such a nice hairstyle. And let me know what do you think. I really love the voluminous, big waves, big hair. I think it's very nice and feminine. Sometimes I wear it loose like this, or I just put a clip on it and wear it half up, half down. I think it's another very dreamy look. So this is it. This is how I wave my hair with a straightener. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below to my channel, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Ciao!